just call them aviation nerds. There's no other way to describe it.
Aviation nerds like Gunnar Aberly and Madison Miller, who are captains on the Atherton drone team.
I was in the aerospace pathway here at Atherton, and Mr. Williams got us into it.
About 4 years ago, lead engineering teacher Alan Williams got the idea and created the drone team, a team that's filling a pretty big need in the drone/aviation industry.
The industry is growing faster than you can possibly imagine. One of our partners out at UPS Flight Forward calls it the Wild Wild West because it's growing so fast. It's kind of hard to police right now.
The drone team also helps students learn and gain real skills that they're using now.
I actually already have my Part 107 license because of Atherton. They paid for us to go and take the test. Basically gives me permission to fly drones for compensation, so I can get paid to fly drones, which is like the coolest thing in the world.
It means prepping for my future. It really helps with things, like for me, I want to be an engineer, but I also want to be like a drone pilot, so I have my commercial drone pilot's license. So drone team allows me to practice my skills with that and hone them in.
While this might be an after-school club, it is a team that competes against other schools' drone teams, and Atherton does it well. The Ravens are the reigning state drone champions.
It makes me feel really accomplished. It makes me feel like I really know what I'm doing. It just kind of like validates that feeling of like I know that I know how to do these things, like fly the drones, fix them, everything like that. But it just kind of like shows me that I got the recognition for it.
But for these aviation nerds, it's not just about taking home titles.
We mainly just are here to have fun and get better at what we do.